name's Skye, and it's my birthday, and I got a Adventure Time box, and we're gonna open it with my dad.
Yep, it's from Nanny and Grandad, and a Pat and Grandad, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you say?
Thank you.
And what else did you get today?
I got a new bike.
New bike, and who was that from?
That's from Mum.
That's from Nana Bev.
Nana Bev.
Mum and Dad got you the camera.
And I got camera, that Prince, and I got some money. I got $45.
And some earrings. And then from who?
And earrings from
Sue and
Auntie Sue
and Uncle John. Mark, Uncle Mark. There you go.
How much packs are in there?
24 packs. 5 cards a pack. Alright, I'll start handing them to you.
5.
Let's go.
Thank you.
So what are we hoping for?
Signature, patch cards, or a sketch card.
Or a sketch card, yeah, that's it. Alright, let's see how we go.
Oh.
We'll put the packs down here for you to grab. And we'll put the cards in the box.
No special.
No specials in that one?
Nope.
Okay. Do you want me to help you open them?
Okay. So I open the pack.
Alright, you got them. There you go.
Got that again.
No specials in that one? Alright.
Nope.
So you want to show them some of the cards? Finn's the main character, isn't he?
Yeah.
And who's your favourite?
Princess Bubblegum and the Fire Princess.
Is that her there? Princess Bubblegum?
No, that's Princess Bubblegum. That's a Fire Queen.
There you go, there's some of her favourite characters with Finn. And she's hoping for a Princess Bubblegum signature card. That would be good, wouldn't it?
I get another one of this.
Oh, it's the same
Another
one.
one of this. Another one of this.
It's the same one.
They're all the
Keep
same
going.
cards.
Yeah, well you get two full sets in a box. So you will get 2 of each. That's it, you got the art down there nicely.
And I got a special.
Oh, you have. That's a nice foil, isn't it? A foil special card there.
Yep.
Show that one. Yeah, it's nice. Very good. I'll put that one aside for you. Yeah, well, you don't have that one, do you?
No.
Very cool. Put that one over there. I'll clip some tops so it gets easier for you.
There's the other version of it.
No,
See,
it's
she's
different.
a girl.
Ah, right. Oh, okay. Well, they flip around. Oh, look, there's Mr. Lemonhead. What's he called? Count Lemon or something? She got a patch card of that last time, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, yay! I can draw in.
Ah, wow. Now, what's that one called?
It's called a sketch card. And
Fan art card. So this is a card where you get to draw your own sketch on it. So on the back's all done up as a 101. And you get to draw your own. It's called a fan art card. So you did one last time, didn't you?
Yeah.
And we kept that. Cool.
And I can.
You drew Jake, the dog, didn't you?
Yeah.
Jake. So that's our. They won a box, I believe. Nothing in those ones? Nothing? Oh, taking a bit of time. Hopefully we're going to get some specials.
We already have just one.
Foil, yeah.
You didn't open it properly.
Oh, I didn't open it properly. Here we go. There you go.
Nothing.
Nothing in that one. Alright, you get some more. I'll show you some more cool cards. The artwork's pretty cool. Look at this one. Bit sticky, are they?
Nothing.
Nothing? Alright. What is life? Oh, it's the same pack. Exactly the same pack. One after the other. That's a bit odd. There's one of your favourite characters. What's her name? Marceline? Is that right?
Marceline.
Marceline. We're getting down, we're past halfway now. We've hit only the one foil card and the fan art sketch card. I'll just grab those packs from you. Geez, maybe we don't have a signature or anything in this one. They don't all have specials, do they? That's the same pack again. That is, we do get 2 sets, so you're going to get packs that are exactly the same. Get 2 sets per box. There's the main character, Finn.
Signature!
Oh, oh, okay. You got a Prince signature by the looks of it. Let's show that camera to that one.
This is Princess Bubblegum, and that's the prince, because you see how it's pink?
Oh, that's her reverse character.
Yeah. It's
Ah.
it's...
When they reverse.
Yeah.
Show the camera that one. Wow. Hold it over here for me.
That's Prince.
There's
That's Prince Bubblegum.
It says, congratulations, this card was personally signed by Neil Patrick Harris as Prince Gumball. Okay, so you got Princess, so that's nearly as good as what you wanted, isn't it? Prince Gumball, that's a pretty good one. So you got your signature card.
If that was just the princess, that would be good.
That would have been awesome. We'll put that one in a special case for you with your other ones. Here we go. So that was a nice special card there.
And I got Princess Bubblegum patch card.
No way! That's awesome.
So instead, I got Princess Bubblegum patch card instead of a Princess Bubblegum signature.
Wow, that's really good because that's your favourite character. This card features a completely fake piece of Princess Bubblegum's dress from Adventure Time. And they're actually 1 per 2 boxes, so you don't normally get one of them. So you've done 2 boxes and you've hit 2 patch cards, so you have done really well. That's awesome. You got your favourite character. Wow, this is a good box then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well picked, Nana and Grandad. Now, what have we got to hope for now that you want? Maybe another sketch card. That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
And I'm hoping for which sketch card is 5 Princess.
5 Princess sketch card, right. No specials in that one? No, keep going. You know, you're getting, looking at that art, it's pretty cool art, isn't it?
It looks like it's hand drawn, but it's not. Yeah. Oh, see, See, look, bubblegum.
Ah, there you go. So let's show them that one. So that's, what's it called? What does it say the card's called? It's called Gender Bender. So there she is as Princess Bubblegum, and you turn it up, and there she is as Prince Gumball. So, and there.
Ah, that's not very different. It's the same, but he has a mustache.
There you go.
See?
Oh yeah, so that
He
one.
just has a mustache.
That one didn't change much. That's
They
why.
look the same.
And there's Finn. There's Jake. Jake, and when he is the girl dog, it's
That's a boy dog.
Jake and Cake.
A fire princess. Got another foil.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I got another one of this.
Ah, Mr. Lemonhead.
Ah. And
Right, you show him the foil card.
foil.
Alright, I've got it still so I can see it. And you can see it's a nice rainbow foil.
Oh my dear. That looks like a sketch. Look at it.
It is a sketch, you're right. It is a sketch. Look, hand-drawn sketch card. That's a nice colour one, so there you go. And look, it's signed on the back
Ah, that's a
by
nice
the artist. So that's a
signature.
sketch card. That's actually hand-drawn. So it says hand-drawn sketch card, and on the back it's signed by the artist. And it's a 101.
I said this looks.
This card is created by the artist exclusively for the Adventure Time trading card set. There you go.
I thought that was.
And look, it is Finn, and isn't that Margarine?
Yeah.
Finn and Margarine in the bin. So you can see Finn, and there's Margarine. That's one of your
But
favourite. Oh, another foil card.
and it's a lemon head.
Lemonhead. You got a patched Finn. Earl of Lemon Grab is what he's called. Cool. Well, you got your sketch card. That's a pretty cool one. Nice and colourful, that one. Another good sketch card.
No more packs left.
Not many left. It's been a pretty good box, I have to say.
Yep.
So we're in the last couple of packs. We'll just summarise some of our better hits. We've got the signature card of Prince Gumball, which is a very cool card. Oh, there he is there, the Gender Bender card. Skye's probably favourite card, a patch card. You see that's a little bit of the patch there, of Princess Gumball.
Princess Bubble.
Oh, sorry, Princess Bubblegum. And a very cool sketch card. That is hand drawn. So it's,
I didn't think that was a sketch card because it was too good, but it looked like it.
yeah.
It was too good.
And is that Margarine? What's her name?
Margarine.
Marjorie, is it?
Margarine.
And then Jake there.
She's eating pie, not blood.
Oh, and we've just finished it off with another foil card.
And just so that you know, that's pie, not blood.
What does it say on the back? Marceline, not Margarine. Marceline.
And do you like
Marceline.
my new phone?
And that's Daddy's. Marceline, as her name is. Right, well that's it. That's the box.
And that was 14
minutes, so I'll upload that to YouTube, and we'll see you in the next box break.
Yay!
Happy
Bye-bye.
birthday, Skye.
Yay! Thank you.